Do you know how much protein you need daily? This question often falls by the wayside, doesn't it? But its significance is undeniable. Protein isn't merely a nutrient, it's the keystone of life, integral to every cell within us. It's a dynamic participant in our daily diet, a critical contributor to muscle development and tissue reconstruction. Visualize it as your body's workhorse, tirelessly constructing and mending. But it offers more. Protein fortifies our immune system, enabling our bodies to resist intruders and maintain our well-being. Whether you're a gym enthusiast pushing your limits or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, protein should be your dietary MVP. It's important to comprehend the various protein sources to effectively integrate this vital nutrient into your routine. So let's delve into the diverse sources of protein. When you think of protein, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably meat, right? That's a common thought because many of the most protein-rich foods are animal-based. Let's dive into these sources, beginning with a worldwide favorite, chicken. A skinless, cooked chicken breast is a protein powerhouse, boasting around 31 grams of protein. Besides, it's low in saturated fat, which makes it an excellent choice for those conscious about their heart health. What's more, chicken's versatility can't be understated. Whether it's in a hearty winter soup, a zesty summer salad, or a quick stir-fry, chicken is an adaptable ingredient that enhances the taste of many dishes. Now, we shift our focus to beef. Beef might have a reputation for being high in fat, but it also offers a protein kick that's hard to ignore. A lean cut of beef, such as a petite 3-ounce serving of sirloin, can dish out about 22 grams of protein. Moreover, beef is a stellar source of iron and vitamin B12, critical nutrients necessary for energy production and cognitive function. Next, we dive into the ocean's protein offerings, starting with fish. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are fantastic sources of animal-based protein. A medium-sized salmon fillet offers something in the region of 22 grams of protein and is enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, a crucial element for maintaining a healthy heart. Tuna, by contrast, serves up about 25 grams of per 3-ounce serving and is a leaner option, offering less fat than its salmon counterpart. Last, but by no means the least, we have eggs, the breakfast champion. One large egg packs around 6 grams of protein. They've been vilified in the past for their cholesterol content, but recent health research now supports the idea that eggs, consumed in moderation, are a healthy protein source. Additionally, they're an excellent source of vitamin D and choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in brain health. So, whether you're a chicken devotee, a beef enthusiast, a seafood connoisseur, or an egg fan, there's an animal-based protein source designed to fit your diet. But what if you don't eat meat? There are plenty of plant-based proteins out there. You don't need to be a carnivore to meet your protein needs. Welcome to the lush terrain of plant-sourced proteins. Many believe plant-based diets lack in protein, but that's a misbelief. The plant world presents a varied range of protein-loaded alternatives that are both nutritious and appealing to the palate. Take a look at legumes, for example. These unpretentious plants are crammed with protein. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans provide approximately 15 to 20 grams of protein per cooked cup. They're filled with fiber, making them an excellent pick for both protein and digestive health. Talk about versatility? From warming soups to salads to aromatic curries, legumes can be integrated into a variety of culinary masterpieces. Let's move on to the world of nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These small giants are protein-rich. A handful of almonds or a sprinkle of chia seeds can significantly elevate your protein intake. Additionally, they're a reliable source of healthy fats and antioxidants. Whole grains are also part of the equation. Contrary to the common perception of them as only a carb source, whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats also offer a fair share of protein. For instance, a cup of cooked quinoa offers 8 grams of protein. Don't forget, whole grains are a splendid source of fiber and other crucial nutrients. Incorporating plant-based proteins into your daily menu might be simpler than you think. Start your morning with a bowl of oatmeal garnished with nuts and seeds. Opt for brown rice instead of white for your stir-fries. Make legumes the highlight of your salads and soups. Remember, minor changes can lead to substantial results. So, that's the long and short of it. A plant-based diet can most certainly satisfy your protein requirements. It's not only the amount of protein, but also the quality and variety of nutrients that these plant sources bring to your plate. But much protein do we actually need? Let's delve into that in our upcoming segment. If you're into fitness, you might be wondering how much protein you need to build muscle. The answer to this isn't as simple as it might seem. Protein, a crucial component for muscle development, is an intricate part of the muscle building process. It's needed for the repair and regrowth of muscle fibers that tear when you work out. This breakdown and rebuilding process is how muscles grow stronger and larger. It's important to understand that protein requirements differ for each individual. The amount of protein you need depends on several factors. These include your body weight, the intensity of your workouts, your overall fitness goal, and your lifestyle. A common guideline often suggested is to consume approximately 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight on a daily basis if you're looking to build muscle. To put it into perspective, if you weigh 150 pounds, your target protein intake would be around 150 grams per day. However, it's essential to remember that this is just a general strategy, and individual variations can significantly influence your specific needs. For those living an active lifestyle, participating in sports, or undergoing intense training regimens, your protein requirement could be higher. It's crucial to ensure your body gets enough fuel to support muscle repair and growth. Similarly, if you're aspiring to build substantial muscle mass, increasing your protein intake might be necessary. But there's a caveat. The goal isn't merely to consume as much protein as possible. Your body has a limit to how much protein it can use for muscle synthesis at any given time. Consuming more than your body can metabolize won't lead to additional muscle growth. Instead, distribute your protein consumption evenly throughout your meals during the day. It's worth noting that while protein is key, carbohydrates and fats are also vital for muscle growth and recovery. A balanced, varied diet is paramount. In addition, the type of protein you consume matters too. Selecting quality, protein that provides all the essential amino acids your body requires is vital. So, while quantity is significant, quality shouldn't be overlooked either. Being mindful of not just how much, but what type of protein you're consuming is key maximizing muscle growth. Remember, it's not just about quantity but quality too. Make smart choices, listen to your body, and fuel it right for optimal muscle growth. Not all proteins are created equal. Let's delve into this idea a bit more. Protein quality significantly influences our body's ability to utilize them. Here's what you need to know. Proteins vary in their nutritional value. Some are superior, often known as complete proteins. So, what's a complete protein? It's a protein that contains all 9 vital amino acids our body can't produce. These amino acids are essential for our growth and repair. But where are these complete proteins found? Mostly in animal-based proteins like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, which contain all essential amino acids in the right proportions. But vegetarians and vegans don't worry. You can also find complete proteins in plants. It requires a bit more effort, but it's achievable. Soy products, quinoa, and buckwheat are all complete plant-based proteins. You can also mix different plant foods such as beans and rice to get all the essential amino acids. But remember this, even though animal proteins are complete, they can be high in saturated fat and cholesterol. Plant proteins, on the other hand, are usually lower in these, but might lack one or more essential amino. So, balance is key. Diversifying your protein sources ensures a variety of essential nutrients. And remember, being a complete protein doesn't necessarily mean it's superior. The nutritional value of a protein source should also be taken into account. So here's the recap of what we've learned. The quality of a protein source is important. Complete proteins are beneficial, but the overall nutritional value is equally significant. Balancing your protein intake from various sources can help ensure you get a variety of essential nutrients. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? Let's recap. We've explored the protein world, its significance, and diverse sources, discussing animal proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy, all carrying essential amino acids. We also touched on plant-based proteins such as lentils, tofu, and quinoa, rich in protein, fiber, and other nutrients. Our discussion extended to protein requirements for muscle building. Remember, quality matters as much as quantity. A balanced variety of protein sources aids muscle growth and recovery. Protein isn't exclusive to meat eaters. Vegetarians and vegans have numerous protein-rich options. Regardless of your dietary choice, there's a protein source for you. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it insightful. Until next time, stay healthy and keep pushing your limits.